Hello and welcome to Artificial Insiders, the channel dedicated to exploring the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on the art industry. Today, we're going to take a closer look at AI art and how AI generates images. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in creating images that are both beautiful and unique. These images are generated by various AI techniques like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALLE. Let's take a closer look at each of these techniques and see how they work. Stable Diffusion is a deep learning technique that generates images by combining elements from a training dataset. The AI model is trained on a large dataset of images, and then generates new images by combining elements from the training dataset in a stable and coherent manner. This results in an output that has a similar style and structure to the training data, but is still unique and creative. For example, if the AI model was trained on a dataset of landscapes, it might generate new landscapes by combining elements from different landscapes in the training dataset. This could result in a new landscape that has the general style of a traditional landscape, but with unique elements that make it truly original. One of the benefits of Stable Diffusion is that it generates images that are coherent and stable, meaning that the output is consistent and has a similar style to the training data. This makes it ideal for generating images for commercial purposes, as the output is predictable and consistent. Midjourney is a generative technique that uses a combination of deep learning and rule-based systems. The AI model generates a rough image first, and then adds details and fine-tunes the image using deep learning algorithms. This results in an image that has both the structure and style of the training data, but with a unique twist that makes it truly original. For example, if the AI model was trained on a dataset of portraits, it might generate a new portrait that has the general style of a traditional portrait, but with unique elements like unusual colors or unexpected elements. One of the benefits of Midjourney is that it generates images that are unique and creative, as the AI model has the freedom to experiment with different elements and styles to create something truly original. This makes it ideal for artists and designers who want to generate unique and creative images. DALLE, or Deep Adversarial Latent Variable Evolution, is a generative technique that uses a combination of deep learning and adversarial networks. The AI model generates an image by starting with a random noise, then fine-tunes it using an adversarial network that is trained to distinguish between real and fake images. This results in images that are highly realistic and have a similar style and structure to the training data, but are still unique and creative. For example, if the AI model was trained on a dataset of animals, it might generate a new animal that is highly realistic and has the same general style as the animals in the training data, but with unique elements like unusual colors or unexpected features. One of the benefits of DALLE is that it generates images that are highly realistic and have a similar style to the training data, making it ideal for generating images for commercial purposes where realism is important. In conclusion, AI art is a fascinating field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about art and creativity. With techniques like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALLE, AI is able to generate images that are beautiful, unique, and creative. These techniques offer new opportunities for artists and designers to explore their creativity and generate truly original images. Thank you for watching Artificial Insiders. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about artificial intelligence and its impact on the world of art. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of AI.